Chief Justice John Roberts has directed the Marshal of the Court to launch an investigation into the source of the leak. In a statement, he said this was a singular and egregious breach of trust that is an affront to the court and the community of public servants who work here. CBS News Congressional Correspondent Scott McFarlane joins us now from Washington tonight. Scott, it's hard to overstate how unprecedented this leak of a complete document is. Who in the court would have access to a draft decision like this?
Well, presumably, not only to the justices, but the staff. The Supreme Court is like 9 different individual law firms all mashed together into one branch of government. It's interesting to watch the politics today and the reaction today here at the Capitol. It's Republicans focused, and their comments are focused on the leak. For the Democrats, their focus and their comments are focused on the issue of abortion rights. And we've seen the Senate Republican leader fixate on the leak during his speech today, and we saw Democrats criticize the Republican leader for doing so. So in an issue that is always divisive, will remain divisive, even the reaction to this draft has been just as divisive.
And as you say, we have heard outrage today from Republicans and Democrats, Republicans focusing on the decision that was leaked, and the Chief Justice saying that he authenticated that it was an authentic document, but it is not the final decision. So where do we go from here?
Typically, these decisions, these big decisions of the term, are handed down in mid to late June. We'll see if the Supreme Court maintains that timetable due to the leak. Local reaction is as we expected, with local senators, local Democratic senators, criticizing what's written in this draft order. Senator Elizabeth Warren saying we need to end the filibuster and increase the size of the Supreme Court. Those are 2 things that will not happen. The filibuster is just not on the table. Senator Joe Manchin, that pivotal senator from West Virginia, says the filibuster is what's preserving our democracy. And adding to the Supreme Court, the Senate Judiciary Committee chair told me that's not on the table. So what's going to happen likely next? The Senate will take up some messaging votes, put Republicans on the record about what they think and what they say about exceptions for rape and for incest and for some restrictions on the pullback of abortion rights.
Scott McFarlane in Washington for us tonight. We appreciate it. Thank you so much.